Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: API key, token seed file, and a secure vault. Once those exist, install the client now. This gives you the command line binary and SDK. You will generate a one-time Lightning token, run the generate command, and capture the output. Make sure to set a short TTL for initial verification, because quick expiration proves the flow works and prevents leaks. This early step removes guesswork and gets you to the actionable part immediately. Once done, generate the token using the client and bind it to a specific IP or origin so it cannot be replayed elsewhere. You sign the token with your seed. The client will display the signature and the public key fingerprint. Verify that fingerprint against your stored public key, because mismatches indicate the wrong seed or tampering. If verification fails, rotate the seed, reissue keys, and retry up to 3 times while logging each attempt to diagnose the cause. You deploy the token to the target service and immediately run a validation call to confirm acceptance. Make sure the token has the minimal scope and a short TTL for safety. Once validated, extend TTL only as needed. If the service rejects the token, check clock skew first, because time mismatch is the most common error. Also confirm the public key, binding constraints, and signature. Troubleshoot by comparing logs, reissuing a token, and testing with the exact client and environment used in production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.